Do you find it difficult to find large pieces of furniture to either fill large spaces or to make a statement? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how I built these long and narrow planter boxes that are about 6 feet wide, about 3 feet high, and about a foot deep, so stay tuned. Hey there, Kristy here. Welcome. Here I'm saving money by just building things around my house and just learning how to do it along the way. And on this channel, I hope to inspire you that if this mom with zero experience could just build simple stuff, then you can too, while using simple plans and simple tools and keeping things at a fraction of retail cost. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Today I'm working on some long and narrow wooden planter boxes. Show you what I got going on. For this planter box, I used 14 dog-eared pickets at 6 feet long, 3 2x4s at 8 feet long, and 2 2x2s at 6 feet long. And then I fastened the boards together using exterior wood glue and 2-inch deck screws. Next, I'm using my miter saw to make all the cuts. At this point, I've built one planter box and I've cut wood to build 2 more. Okay, so to break it down, we have 12 dog-ear pickets cut at 71 1/4 inches, and I have them stacked in 3s because it's easy for me to grab. 3, 6, 9, and 12 total. And 71 1/4 is just enough to cut off these angles on the top. The final 2 dog-ear pickets will be cut at 11 inches, creating 12 outer side pieces. And next are the 2x4s cut at 35 1/4, making 3 sets of legs. And the leftover 2x4s will be making the inner supports at 11 inches. And lastly, the 2x2s at 69.5 inches. First, I started with the legs. Starting from the bottom up, I'm measuring 2.5 inches from the bottom. And next, I'm measuring 11 inches from the top, creating what will be a shelf cleat later. Only the middle leg set has 4 supports. The other 2 only have 1. You'll see why in just a second. 3 leg sets complete. Working on the left leg set first, I've grabbed 6 11-inch side slats, wood glue, and 2-inch screws, and attaching 2 screws per board. And then repeating the same steps for the leg set for the right side. These little side slats have created enough support where I didn't need to use the inner support 2x4s for these 2 leg sets, if that makes sense. I attach the bottom slat first, then the top slat, and then I eyeball the others in the middle, lining them up with the previous leg set. Pre-installing these small side slats made it easier for me to stand the leg sets right side up, where I will then line up the long boards flush with the short boards. Ensuring the middle leg set is in the center, and I'm attaching with wood glue and 2-inch screws. Now I'm just placing my 2x2s on top of the shelf cleats, creating a shelf for the planter containers. These inner supports that you see here on the bottom and top created a lot of support for these long and narrow planter boxes, because without them, these long boards would be flimsy, but with the supports, it created a lot of structure and stability. Final finishing stages, I filled all the screw holes with wood filler, gave them a really good sand with 120 grit sandpaper, and then stained them using an exterior deck stain. Thanks so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to see more videos just like this. I post a new one every week. Leave a comment below to say hi. I'd love to hear from you guys. Details are in the description box in case you missed anything. And as always, if I can inspire just one person to pick up a drill, then these videos are worth it. Keep tackling those projects, and we'll talk soon. I built these 3 planters for a local mom here in town who runs Destin 30A Moms Blog, where they were displayed at the City Moms Blog National Conference.